Kung sa tanan, our video for this afternoon, guys. So, pang-apat na araw siguro to, guys, na na ginawa yung bahay ko, guys. So, 4 days working on it. So, look at, guys. Oh, diba, naka-filing na siya, guys. So, wow! Excited much na, guys. Diba? Iba-back na ko, guys, ha. Wait lang, guys. I-back na. Oh, guys. Nara, guys, ay. So, naka-filing na siya, guys. Akong balay. So, 4 days working on it, guys. So, mauna na siya. Diba? Excited much na gyud. O, diba? So, excited na ko, guys, unsay kuan niya. Excited na kay ko kung unsay kalabasan niya, guys. So, ang ganda. Ay, my God, guys. Wadi ko mag-expect ani tanan, guys. Sa una, guys, pinapangarap ko lang to, yung maka-dream house ako, tapos hindi ko akalain na ibibigay pala talaga ng asawa ko. So, thank you so much for watching, everyone. So, bye-bye. Good afternoon.